Welcome back. We were before thrilled with the project first part, which was to really change the kitchen, open up the floor plan, basically transform the space and redo the patio outside so it just feels like you're on the living inside and outside of this apartment. And then part two for us was to go upstairs and completely renovate and transform their primary master suite. So it's great to come back again and be able to show you what's up. So let's go upstairs and see what this little bath looks like. So I entered from their primary bedroom and we're at the top of the stairs. It's a duplex. They have guest suites downstairs. It's a bedroom and an office and the first floor bath where we did a cosmetic facelift of just the shower plumbing. Here we did a complete gut reno and we took everything out and found a lot of problems. This little townhouse has a hot water heater in the closet, but we really replumbed the entire bathroom, and I did my frameless shower, which I love, glass, and brought it into the 21st century with beautiful porcelain tile. One of our new favorites. I just love the fact that it's so understated and elegant. We actually kept their medicine cabinets and tied it into their existing built-ins. We'll show you some B-roll of that and pictures, cut-in pictures, so you see what it looked like before and after. But we didn't really change the fixture locations because they worked. And for this couple, they liked having the separate vanities instead of one big one. We debated whether we would move the toilet to the other side closer to the bath, but we left it. So the tub was changed so it has all the appointments that we wanted to really transform this bath into a beautiful little oasis. But let's take a look at the tub. So what's lovely is that we were able to incorporate this cedar stone countertop, and I love the fact that they picked a neutral color that still is interesting. And we integrated the cubby sills and the vanity tops with a bigger, deeper basin sink, Ladina, from Kohler. My custom vanity is a Toto toilet, but we wanted to keep the space we had. They had existing medicine cabinets, but we were not liking and wanted to update this casing so it really looks the way it should for a big medicine cabinet, and change the doors, match the design style of the cabinetry to what they had. And then what I really love is this Victoria and Albert tub, which is a 32 by 66, a fabulous soaking tub. And I think that what we'll find is when we do the walkthrough tomorrow, I think they're going to be as thrilled as I am. I sure wish I had this type of grand bathroom for my humble apartment, and I just want to say ciao for now and see you on the next.